How about this next one though? A pirate bug. How
Yes,
about that?
minute pirate bugs. Kind of a fun name.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
They're very small, a 1/12 to a 1/5 of an inch long. That's where they get the minute from,
Yeah,
very
small.
small. And they're black and white in color. The immature stages are very small. They're kind of teardrop shaped and brown and orangey colored. The adults and the nymphs will both be predators for thrips, spider mites, aphids, and their eggs. And an adult will eat 30 spider mites a day. So they're quick moving. They'll attack just about anything, though, not just those particular pests that we like to get rid of. And the way they attack their prey is they have a piercing, sucking mouth part. So they'll use that mouth part to inject into their prey, and then they will suck the juices out of the prey. Yuck, but that's how they do it. They can go from an egg to adult in 3 weeks, and they have 3 generations per season. And this is another one that you can buy online. And they're actually a really good predatory bug if you've got a greenhouse, and they may be more effective than others. And if you want to try to just encourage them to come to your garden, you can plant goldenrod, daisies, alfalfa, yarrow, clover, and vetch.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.